Siyabingelela emini, sibingelela abefundisi, sibingelela umfundisi Mashele, sibingelela leadership yonke, sibingelela bobaba, abomama, abosisi nabobhuti bonke nabantwana abancane ngegama lenkosi yethu Jesu. Amen. Ngokukhethekile sibingelela amanganye, sibingelela ubaba nomama umfundisi nobhuti uSimanga ngegama lika Jesu. Amen. Ngomthetho, if you know you know. Mina ngabe ngihleli lapha yana somewhere lapha. Manje ulokuthi bengizoyenza ispeech yabo. Kahle. Amen. Ngisindisiwe ngiulinda ukuhloka kasongo bazalwane izono zami zonke zithethelelwe ebusheni bami. Amen. Ngize ngaphambili on behalf of abantu abasha. Amen. Kuthe sikhonza eThema sazithola sinomfundisi Manganye at some point in time, and we were honored, especially considering ukuthi Dr. Manganye besithe masithi silalela isitha masihleba ngoba sike sihleba ngisho izinto ezingekho right, bese sithe nasihleba sathi Dr. uzophakama uzonibheka, so futhi ni5 lapha Thursday, bese endelele kanti futhi unamanga ngoba usasona uhlala namanga. Sazithola sikhonza nomfundisi uManganye. I remember bekathi nakeza yabona le yakhe yokushumayela aze athi hayi beyangayenzi, bekama la liwe kahle letafula, wearing casually with us, and he would ask us questions to make sure ukuthi we even understand isifundiso sakhe ezabantu abasha. He brought wasuka ekubeni uDr. Manganye noma umfundisi, but he became a teacher to us. Sifunde kakhulu kumfundisi uManganye. Sifunde humility. Waye umfundisi uGufi, you call him angeke iphele phone call ningahlekanga. You reach towards him uzok advisor and advise ngendlela right. Angeke uqede ukukhuluma naye izwi lingekho. As abantu abasha sifundile ukuthi libalekile izwi so much that we have fallen in love nezwi. Amen. Now, what we are also honored with, ukuthi si understand ukuthi akabuyi akahlala eyi1, but umndeni wakhe also welcomed us with love. Umama siyomhaga uzasicabuze. That's how much loving she is. Azanke wathi yosibuya ku-COVID. Hayi, makuthi asiguge uyasiguga. Usisi Junior no Bhuti Simanga, they've never withheld our parents wabo ukuthi singakwazi ukubashare nabo, but they were always loving enough to share their parents with us. So siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngomfundisi uManganye, and it is a challenge kithi abantu abasha ukuthi singagcini ngokuba nama memories, but that we should grow because he did mentor us. So simgoloda that those fruits of his mentorship ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi namhlanje sisho sithi sibuye ezandleni zakaMfundisi Manganye. Amen.